I've heard most people saying South Africans must be careful of these new political parties that always mention illegal immigration because they know as soon as they talk about illegal immigration, as soon as they say Mabahambe, they'll get the most votes. But have you ever asked yourself why? Have you ever asked yourself why is it that even when a political party is only 5 days old, when it's still saying Mabahambe, most people start to support that party? It should show you that illegal migration is really an issue. Kore ga di citizen o se ga o se mola re Mabahambe di citizen di go follow in numbers, you must know gore it's really an issue. From illegal, from car hijackings, building hijackings to mazamazama, all of them are foreign nationals. O ba shebella fela ke batho ba ko Lesotho, batho ba ko Zimbabwe, batho ba ko Mozambique, batho ba ko Malawi. Is it fair on South Africa? Like, how do you think we feel as citizens? O shebile motho a brega motswantle o sena dipampiri, you know gore gana dipampiri, a brega gore he ene o tsotswa kae ing ebile they don't even hide it anymore. Go tsotswa kae ing o ke ditšhomi tsa mapodisa ing. Like, how do you feel when as a citizen? Obviously there will be some anger more because you know you can't do that mo go country ya batho mara bone be ira yalo mo country ya lona. It's the same as mama go a checkisitse bana ba ditšhomi tsa ge mo ntlong ba itirela fela ba sa kolomea ke le wena le gore you have to clean after them, ba ipulela di fridge ba ja fela sengwe le sengwe, mama go a sa ba kgalemele mara kgalemela wena fela how you do something wrong. E le gore ga o ipetse dijo fa le bana ba le ba dija without even asking for permission, without even mama go ga o mmolella gore ba jele dijo tsa go eng mama go ba go bolella fela gore ikapeletse ding ke ubuntu. That's exactly what is happening in South Africa. And we have stupid people bomalema ba ba ipitsang di leader ba ileng gore ba batlo leader but ha ba batlo utlwella batho ba ba leadang. O batlang go nna leader o sa nkutlwelle, o batlang go ni leader o sa nkutlwelle. Because how about on a leader, you have to listen to the people. And you cannot say moto utsene fela atswa go tswa teng ha o itse le gore motho o escapeile prison somewhere a tla mo country ya tsena fela o ka go tswa toilet, maybe ke rapist una le di rape cases tse 28 ore tse kae wa motisa ka for document them o motho ntseng yang wena e teng country be re ka nyalo le batlo etsa like the way South Africa ile banana republic ka teng already le batlo etsa in the West part. You want to be our leader, but you tell us foreigners are going to be our future employers. You have to be sick or stupid to follow that kind of person, to think that person can lead, or stupid. It's easy for you to say when you look at the school it's immigrants, both legal immigrants and illegal. It's easy for you to say how to go government clinic go fitlhela o di long queues before ka thusi wa tshwantse emetselete la o shebella around you. It's just a few of you South Africans, majority ke batho ba itswelang kontle. It's easy for you to say when you do not love your country enough to worry about the crime that is happening in this country. Crime has no nationality, but you have no business committing a crime in a foreign land. You have no business coming to a country and hurting the people that you found living in that country. United we stand, divided we fall. If we unite against crime, if we unite against corruption, if we unite against illegal immigration, we will win. Our country will be safe. Kill the Boer, kill the farmers of food. The Boers helped us build this country as it is today. They love this country more than the people you call our brothers and sisters, our African brothers and sisters, who are the ones destroying our country today, who are the ones killing our police, who are the ones hijacking us of our cars, taking our cars to their countries, who are the ones that are in the mines illegally, selling our minerals illegally. And you want me to call you my African brother? Fuck that.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nansi sikhuluma ngendaba yokuthi ma-foreigners they are a real problem la South Africa. Uthi it's an issue and i-issue lekhulu. Uthi ubuthi ngani wena ukuthi uma kuvela liqembu leliqosha ama-foreigner bantu base-South Africa batolisupporta baliseke ngendlela lesimanga because they are tired because bakhathele nako lokuthi sibone ama-foreigners la South Africa phambela thengisathi dzakamiva akwazela amaphoyisa asebenzisana nemaphoyisa akusiphathi kahle because we know ukuthi thina etinto etinjalo in their own countries ngeke stande i-security kuma-countries abo i-tight ngalinye indlela but they know akokuthi la South Africa kusetendeleni everyone uyakhona kutendelana noma engabe yini amaphoyisa nje uyanika imali and they just turn a blind eye. President ayinandzaba ivikela ama-foreigners so uyasho nje ukuthi indzaba illegal foreigners la South Africa issue leqake kabi. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.